Having trouble signing in to the DoorDash app? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues like getting stuck on the login screen, especially after app updates or with two-factor authentication. First, ensure you're using the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it, making sure your new password meets the criteria. At least 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers, and avoiding reusing old passwords. If you're using two-factor authentication, 2FA, verify that the phone number linked to your account is correct. If you're not receiving codes, try using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator instead of SMS for more reliable delivery. App updates often include authentication bug fixes, so make sure you're on the latest version. For Android, issues sometimes stem from Google Play Services integration, while iOS users might experience 2FA delays with iCloud Keychain. These steps should help resolve most sign-in issues. If password and 2FA aren't the issue, network connectivity might be the culprit. DoorDash relies on a stable internet connection for authentication. Try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to refresh your connection. Resetting your network settings or briefly enabling airplane mode can also help refresh your connection. VPNs can sometimes interfere with DoorDash's authentication servers, so try disabling any VPNs you're using. If problems persist, clear the app's cache or reinstall the app entirely to remove any corrupted data. As a last resort, contact DoorDash's customer support via in-app chat. They can usually resolve issues within 24 to 48 hours. Keeping your device's OS updated can also prevent compatibility bugs. Remember, most sign-in problems are resolved with these basic troubleshooting steps, so work through them systematically.